Afternoon, guys. Afternoon. Well, I'm packing for the markets. So basically, this stuff's been here all week because it hasn't rained, so I didn't have to tarp it. This might be the last run for the old Falcon. We've got Nambour next weekend, so I'm borrowing Dan Duke to tow that trailer up. And hopefully when we get back from Nambour, we'll have enough for a van. So that's the plan. So what I want to do this video is show you what I've got. Not just today, garage sale, it's Saturday, RV, and but what I've got during the week. So let's go and have a look. All right, so you might have seen this at the garage sale I bought today. I paid 10 for it. It's probably not worth a lot more than that. This table was curbside. As we're going from one garage sale to the next, that table was sitting outside, so I said, I think we get $5 for that. The whatnot, that's what these are called, whatnots. It all unscrews and that. I paid $5 for that. That was a good deal. These statues. Well, these are the garage sale today. You didn't see me buy them, so I spent $17 on all of those, but they're really for here. This is an old pop-up toaster. I haven't got the cord. I just liked it because it was cool. So I'm just taking stuff out of the van, really. Oh, sorry, out of the car today. Now have a look at this. So when I bought this today, he said $5. I said, man, I'll give you 10. Now look, everything that come with it. Okay, it's got the two of them. It's got everything. It's got the mixer for your meat, milkshakes, juicer. It's got everything. And she works. So it's these 701, these Sunbeams last forever. I got this from an option. I paid $1 for it, but look, it's Singapore, the fine city. And it's got what, you know, no smoking fines, 300, no, 500. So all the things you can't do. Well, you shouldn't do anyway, but very clean city. You've got to do all that one. This is, I don't know what this is for. These are paints for something or other. So I paid $10 for all that. This is stuff generally. This is I'll probably keep this book because they sell for about 70 online. Always look up any books on ghosts or anything like that. You know, it's a bit green and stuff, but it's a rare book. 1976, I think, 36, something like that. Pong. There's a Yard glass. There's a Beerstein Babe. Powderfinger book. Now this is Black Douglas. I knew that I had the stopper. Good. I'll try and keep them together without breaking them. What else is in there? Oh, Christmas glasses. I got a Tom Tom. That's right. Jack Daniels bag. I've done that one. Oh, this is a Bunnings show bag, man. $2 this was. And, you know, Scooby thought he worked for Bunnings, so. Now, I got some books during the week. So, I paid $50 for all of these, which look like crap. I've got some more Westerns too, but I don't know where I put them. But all these are Agatha Christie crime books. Probably 90s. Some of them have got the dust jacket, some haven't, but they're all the same book. So, there's 40 of them all up. I don't know. I haven't gone through them yet to see which ones, if they're all different or all the same. But I know that them alone should make, they're a good seller. You go to eBay Solds and have a look, Agatha Christie hardcover crime collection. You know, I've sold them before. So that should be 300 there. So that's an eBay thing. I got these stamps. This was this morning. So I got all of those plus this here for $5. And sometimes you can spend like 10, $20 just on a stamp, man. This was again today. It's cotton fill, probably, I don't know, $5. These pans I got for $5. Well, a mate of mine who's already watched my video getting that has texted me and said, buddy, can I have them? Because I'm going camping in a couple of weeks. I said, yep, no worries. They come from inside because they're just dust collecting inside. That doesn't work. I checked out the battery terminal, it's all stuffed. There's a bit of, this comes from inside too. It's a big piece, but it's boring. This is different. Bought this today, but look at this, for cleaning your VHSs. These are probably all stuffed, but it looks pretty clean in the box. I paid $5 for that. I haven't looked that up yet, but it might be something. A friend of mine gave me these swords too today. So these look pretty cool. They're probably just tourist pieces. That one's probably the most interesting. This one's freaky too. Geez, look at the blade on that. That is trippy. Isn't it? This one's apart. Just there's the 2 bits of wood and I don't know, a tourist piece I'd say that one is. This one here, it's got the knife in that end, but it hasn't got the handle. These are tourists, I've had these before, and that'll be a fork, I would say. Yep. And it should have another, yeah, there's a feet, so it stands on those brass feet like that. It looks like the best one of the lot, but it's probably the worst one of the lot. Because that's different. Like, I've never seen that before, and that's really different. You know, that's riveted there. They could have some age to it. It feels old, you know. Well, somebody get a bargain. I'll take it to the market tomorrow. What else can I show you? Ooh, well, that thing there, that's going inside. Jen's going to keep that. That's about it. So I've unpacked the car. That there, all that is going to go into there or there. And we're doing CABOOLTURE markets tomorrow morning. Next week's Nambour. So a lot of the collectible stuff hasn't come out yet. I might even save a couple of knives, I don't know. Take them to Nambour and put a bit of high price on it. That's it, guys. That is it, my friends. All right, well, I'll see you tomorrow at the CABOOLTURE markets. If not, Nambour next Saturday. If not, I love yous. Keep watching the channel. We're trying to get there, you know. We're units, what can I say? We are fucking units. All right, lasers off. Bye.